So guys, today we're here at Mitsubishi Talisay, Cebu to talk about one of their top selling cars, which is the Mitsubishi Mirage G4. What we have right here is the GLX variant. I believe it's priced really well, guys, very competitive to the other brands. And at this price point, you're gonna have a lot of great things as a daily driver. But unfortunately, with that affordable price, we're gonna have to compromise some things as well. So the question is the Mitsubishi Mirage G4 GLX gonna be good enough for you? That's what we're gonna be finding out today. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy. Here we go. Okay, so now let's start with your engine. Underneath the hood of the Mitsubishi Mirage G4 is a 1.2 liter Invex 3 engine with CVT gasoline. You have 3 cylinders and 12 valves, and it comes with a front wheel drive. You have a maximum output of 76 horsepower and a maximum torque of 100 Newton meters. For your fuel capacity, you have a maximum of 42 liters for your gas tank. Honestly, if you're someone who's just more on the city driving, this engine is going to be good enough for you, and it's very fuel efficient, which is one of the strengths of the Mirage G4. So you only have halogen headlights and you don't have fog lights, but you're gonna get this Mitsubishi's specialty, what they call the dynamic shield front fascia, which is very nice looking, to be honest. Then you have here at the sides, you have a pole type antenna. At the top, you have power adjustable side mirrors and a ground clearance of 170 millimeters because of your 185 by 55 15-inch alloy wheels. One thing to note as well is the door handle of the Mirage G4 is kind of outdated, but if you don't mind about that, then that's not gonna be a problem at all. So here at the back of the Mirage G4 is one of the sportiest design for me. So you have here a key type opening for your trunk, and you have a very amazing diffuser looking design for your rear bumper. You don't have a rear camera and a rear sensor, but the good thing is you're gonna have a great amount of space for your trunk. Okay, this is really nice, and you have a single light right here, a halogen one, just to see what are the things that you have stored here. Okay, and the great thing about this as well is you have similar design rims for your spare tires. Okay, that's not like the other brands where you have only the donut type. So that's a very good news for this. Even at the GLX variant, you have that. So again, take note that you don't have the remote access to open this. You're gonna have to use the keys, which is gonna be a bit inconvenient, but that's what you get at this price point. Alright, so welcome to the interior of your Mirage G4 GLX. So what do you think, guys, of the dashboard, of the center console? Let me know down in the comments. So let's start with your steering wheel. Okay, you have urethane. Alright, good enough, gets the job done basically. At the center, you have your Mitsubishi logo, 3 diamonds. And then only at your left side, you have the controls for your music. All right, skipping and playback. So you have your options or buttons for your calls as well, which is really nice. On the right side, you don't have anything, but honestly, as a daily driver, this is gonna be good enough. And then for your instrument cluster, guys, you have analog. I like that design. You have 3 different types of information surrounded by this chrome accents. And then you have a little bit of a digital part as well. So mix combination of analog and a little bit of digital. So let's continue here. Over at the top, of course, you have the beige or the gray headliner. And then for your visor, guys, you have mirror, but that is very good enough. Thankfully, you have that for your passenger princess. And then what can I say, you also have it here as a driver. So it's really good, guys, for our wives, for our ladies, for our lady drivers. So here at the top, you have your map lights, halogen, of course. Then you have option as well to have that turned on once you open and close the door. So you can set that. Then you have here your night and day rear view mirrors. And then here you have your infotainment screen, 7 inches. You have glossy black accents all over, which I believe elevates the look of your dashboard. At least you have that like premium vibe to it. And then you have here your home buttons as well for your infotainment screen. I like the knob right here for your volume. It's very nice. Then down here for your air conditioning controls, guys, you have manual, okay, knob type. Which the good thing about this one is you have directions for your blower. Okay, I know a lot of you like that. And then over here below, you have some space for your coins or your phone, which is nice. Then USB port, type A. And then here you have 2 cup holders, which is always handy. Okay, and then this is your gear shifter, PRND. And then you have a lower for uphill and steep road conditions. And then lastly, you have here your traditional manual handbrakes, which I like, but unfortunately you won't have a center armrest right here, which won't be a problem because I know there are a lot of aftermarket accessories that you can buy so that you can have that center armrest. You can check the link below. Let me know if the one that's in the link is not working anymore so that I could give you a link for that. The good thing is you have another cup holder at the middle. Then of course you have fabric seats. Very nice design, very simple. I like that it comes with like the black. Then you have your glove compartment right here. Okay, it's not hydraulic, but it's very good enough. And then lastly, you have this part right here, which I really love about Mitsubishi vehicles. This is good enough, guys. You can put maybe 2 to 3 phones right here. Very good. That's how your aircon blower looks like. Okay, for your aircon vents, nice glossy black, very simple and circular, which is I really like that. And then on the left side, you have left and right controls for your side mirrors. Okay, continuing here at the left side, you have your one touch up and down for your driver's window, and then automatic for the rest of your windows. So here at this side, you only have plastic. You don't have a fabric or any padding, but yeah, at least you know that you don't have paddings, you don't have a center armrest, and that's what you're gonna sacrifice for this price. So for your headroom, guys, you actually have a lot of headroom. This is very nice for a sedan. And then you also have the seat height adjustment and the recline. That's very nice to have in a budget car. So now that we saw the first row, let's go to the back and see what we have on the second row. Alright, so welcome to your second row of the Mitsubishi Mirage G4 GLX. This is how your dashboard looks like from the second row. What do you think, guys? So far, this is really a great car, honestly. For the price, this is gonna be really good enough, honestly. So like I said, the cup holder is there. You don't have any USB port, you don't have an AC vent. That's what you have here on the second row. But what I love the most about the Mitsubishi vehicles, like I always say, is they give you second row armrest. Okay, you don't have this on most competitions at the segment. 2 cup holders for your second row passengers. Good job, Mitsubishi. And then for your center tunnel, guys, I believe it's good enough. It's not too high. It's there, but honestly, you can live with it as a second row passenger. Then for your headroom, guys, you have plenty of room for your headroom. It's really comfortable here as a second row passenger. Like I said, it's gonna be very comfortable for grab. And yeah, so far, this just really gets the job done. This sedan is really good for a family, for a starting family, obviously. And for as a daily driver, for your work, commute, daily commute, it has basically everything that you're gonna need for a sedan. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, infotainment screen. Honestly, That's all you're gonna need as a daily driver. So what do you think, guys, of the Mitsubishi Mirage G4? Let me know down in the comments. If you're about to buy a car, please check out my link on the comment section for the best accessories while you're planning to buy your car. Thank you so much, Mitsubishi Talisay Cebu, for allowing us to review this car. For any inquiries, please contact the person in the description. This has been Ronnie with Project Gentleman, reminding you that when we seek God first, all the things that we need are going to be added unto us, and that's when we truly win in life. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Ciao.